hey, let me show you the best features, some tips and tricks for AirPods 4. And first of all, I want to start from media control. So as you know, on the AirPods, we can actually adjust a lot of options. And first of all, let's actually get, for example, the left or the right one, because it works the same for the both of them. So if you want to play or pause your media, right here you can find the sensor. This the same one that you can find on the AirPods Pro or AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And AirPods 3, of course. So when you click on it one time, then you can play or pause. Take a look. You can also double tap quickly to turn next song. When you are going to triple tap quickly, you are going to turn previous song, or you are going to start from the same song. Take a look. So we can also change between the songs. And if you are gonna make the call, there's also the calls. I mean the calls controls. So if you want to pick up the phone call, wait for it, you will have to single tap. There we go. If you want to end this call, you will have to double tap. And also you can mute microphone during the phone calls. And if you want to do this, you will have to just single tap on this sensor on the left or the right earbud. And now when we finish about all of this, oh, I just forgot about the last one. We can actually click and hold to wake the Siri, but in my case it's not working because I just turned off the Siri. But yes, you can also wake the Siri. And now you can also find here the spatial audio that will be available when you open the settings on your iOS device. So the spatial audio, it's right here, and for sure you can turn it on and off if you want, and here you can even test this, how it sounds. But also we can find here the head gestures. So we can move your head up and down to accept or reply for Siri, or you can move your head from side to side to decline or dismiss. And here you can even try these gestures. So right now when I'm gonna input this AirPods 4 inside my ears, then I will be able to actually use those gestures. Take a look. Now when I'm gonna move my head up and down, I can hear the sound inside my AirPods 4, like the ping pong, and then click continue, move the head side to side, and you can also hear the same sound. And it's, as you can see, it's working. And you can even customize it. Take a look. You can decide if you want to accept and reply with up and down or side to side, and the same with decline and dismiss. So this is it for this head gestures. For sure, you can turn them on and off if you don't want, or if you want to use them. We can also find here some kind of the sound equalizer by going into the accessibility, by going into the iPhone audio and the visual settings, and then select headphone accommodations. We have to turn it on, and right now we can tune audio for balance tone, vocal range, brightness, and we can even boost the soft sounds, slight, moderate, and strong. You can play sample to hear that difference. So now you can actually adjust this. And if you want to set your custom sound, you can go here. You can click continue. You can add an audiogram if you have one. If you don't have one, click here, click continue. And now you will get this samples. And you can make the comparison and pick the sound that fits your hearing preferences the best. So you can just click continue. And now we've got your custom preset of the sound. Next, we can also find here the background sounds. So let's say that you play music, but you can still hear something. Then you can actually get rid of it by playing one of the following sound and adjusting the volume of this sound. And you can just simply turn it on, and you can even play the sample, and it sounds really good. Next, we can also find here the voice isolation. So it's just right here, this short description. So it's useful when you talk with someone, so you know you can completely isolate for people who need a maximum clarity. That's pretty cool. And we got also the phone noise cancellation. So it actually reduces the ambient noise on the phone calls when we are holding the receiver to our ear. And you can even set the left and the right ear balance. It's useful for me especially because something is wrong with my right ear. So I can actually make the sound. You know, when I'm listening into the normal headphones without this feature, I can hear less on my right ear. But right here I can set the proper balance for my ears, and now it just works fine. And I'm not sure if I mentioned this one, but you can actually charge these earbuds by using your phone. So you can just simply connect your cable into your Android phone, into your iPhone, then second end inside, and the indicator will light up. Should actually light up. Okay, we have to actually input both earbuds inside. Forgot about this one. Take a look. And now it will light up, which means that we are charging them by using, take a look, by using our second phone. And also what is really useful, that we can find here the AAC codec for Android devices. So take a look. Here I'm gonna open the Bluetooth settings, and here I can find HD audio. So yes, you can enable the spatial audio for Android, and you can enable AAC audio, but you have to remember that it's not available for every Android smartphone. And this is it basically. This is like all the best features that you can use on the AirPods 4. Thanks for watching.